We are live. Amazing. How are you? Remember this Smoker's Body Coding? Live. New food work every day. Remember, you see, we do. No excuses. Are you ready? You want to see the move? Today, tap cross one. Are you ready? Let's go. Goes like this. Pa, 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 da, 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 pa, 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 da, 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 da. Yeah, this is the move. And now, no excuses. Let's do it together with the phone. I'll switch the cameras. Let's go. We can start with the left or with the right. Doesn't matter. Let's go. Starting with the left. We tap, we step. We tap, we step, we cross, and tap. Again, now with the right. Tap, step, cross, and tap. Again. Tap, step, cross, and tap, step, cross, and tap. Now with the count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7. Once again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7. Amazing. Amazing. This was tap cross 1. And I remind you, these are universal moves, meaning you can use them dancing, hip hop, salsa, bachata, kizomba, zumba, rumba, samba, whatever style that you want. And by the way, salsa on 1 and on 2, because you can start with the right or with the left. Amazing or not amazing? Wait, you still here? Let's do another practice. Now, facing each other. I want to see you. Are you ready? Let's go. Now, imagine yourself staring in a mirror. Let's do it together, starting with the left. Tap cross 1. Let's go. Pretty easy. Together. Slow. We tap. We step. We tap. We step. We cross. And tap. Again. Tap. Step. Tap. Step. Cross. And tap. With the count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7. Now with the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7. You can add the shoulders. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7. You can also add a drop doing the cross. Let's do it. Now we are up. 1, 2, 3, 4, drop. 7. 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 Yeah, that's the move. Tap cross 1. So, no excuses. Remember, if you want to do this move again, use this video, hit the replay button wherever you see this video in YouTube, Instagram, Facebook. No excuses. Go over this again. But I tell you another thing. Since you stay till now, I give you a bonus. You can practice with me this move in the studio with me anytime you want. How can you do that? Check the link above, below, or wherever it might be. If it's on Instagram, check the link in my bio to the YouTube channel and search for Tap Cross 1. This is the move. Full tutorial for free just for you, joining me in the studio practicing this move. Tap Cross 1. Yeah, And remember, these are universal moves. This is Marcus Body coding. We code the moves so you can use them in any style of dance that you want. So for example, in today's party, whatever party it may be, hip hop, salsa, bachata, etc., you can use this move. Wait, but what happens if you forget the move? You still have your phone, right? You have your phone. You can take your phone, go to the side, nobody's watching, and you can practice with me with this video. Then you can go back to the party, feeling all confident, and do the move. Amazing or not amazing? Either way, if you have a party or you don't have a party, do this move today. Why today? Because tomorrow there's no footwork. Remember, Marcus Body Coding Live. No footwork every day. So, let's meet you tomorrow for no footwork.